It's an unorthodox move by one of Canada's big banks, raising its variable mortgage rate, even though the Bank of Canada has kept its key rate the same. And what's more, many experts believe the other big banks will follow TD's lead. Jacqueline Hansen is here to explain why this is happening now. Jacqueline.
Peter, TD Bank is raising rates on its variable mortgages, not by much, but enough to turn a lot of heads, particularly because TD is the first major lender to make a move after those new mortgage rules were introduced last month.
I've never seen it happen before.
This mortgage broker can't remember a time when a major lender hiked its mortgage prime rate when the Bank of Canada didn't. TD explains its decision this way, saying, "We regularly review our rates and adjust them based on a number of factors, including the cost that TD pays to fund mortgages. The cost to fund is the key." A new section of the government's mortgage rules roll out at the end of this month. Effectively, costs go up for lenders because it limits mortgages they can package up, insure, and then sell to investors. And smaller, non-bank lenders could be hit the hardest because for some, mortgages are all they do.
Canadians are going to see now a mortgage environment that's very different. It's going to be void, almost void of these competitors, and there's going to be 5 big banks with options for your mortgage.
TD's decision is a sign those costs could be passed to consumers, like Blaine Bradley, who has a TD variable rate mortgage.
I got a young family. I'm trying to save for educations and pay mortgages off and do all the responsible things and not carry household debt and all that stuff. And then the bank, I do everything right, and then oh, well, here's an increase. Well, why do I get an increase?
And Peter, a lot more people could be asking that same question as other banks do the math and see how the new rules affect their lending business. Industry experts say we could see their rates go up too. And if those smaller lenders get squeezed out, less competition could mean higher rates all around.
All right, Jacqueline, thank you. So a potential rise in